Hi, I'm David Schaer, president of Computers Unlimited. We're one of Montana's leading software development companies. At Computers Unlimited, we develop software. We're an integrated software application provider. Our whole philosophy is integrate and unify business processes for a number of industries, home healthcare being one of them. You know, we always like to listen to our customers and the industry. That's why Medtrade is a really important event where we get to talk to both prospects and our customers about their needs and how the industry is evolving and how can we help with software. That's our real focus. How do we solve problems with software and services and analytics? The past couple of years, we've been pretty busy on a number of new applications. One is what we call patient resupply. That's how we automate the resupply process. And our philosophy is things that are really important to our customers that need flexibility, we want to develop those applications. That's one example where we can qualify the patient, set them up really quickly, do the confirmation emails or integrate with systems, and then be able to auto-create orders. That's one application that we've launched. It's great on the labor side of the equation as well, which there's a big labor shortage going on. So anything that we can do to automate is critical. Another area is with business intelligence. This year, we have, I believe, 13 different data analytical models that we built on the Microsoft Power BI platform. So that just helps providers really get a handle on their business, key metrics and measurements to be able to make smarter decisions. A third area is what we call APIs, system interfaces, where we plug in other third-party applications to the TIMS platform. Just think of a lot of business processes that we can handle and then we expose through APIs. And then our customers can then plug that into other systems to be able to continue a business process. The key three areas that we've been working on recently, and they're all in high demand, and I think we're heading in the right direction based upon the industry trends. If you'd like to learn more about these products and capabilities, you can hit our website at cu.net, and we'd be more than happy to continue the conversations.